Hi, I'm Charlie Butte. Did you know that blockchain smart contracts enable absolute trust and transparency in business transactions? How do they achieve that, and what are the potential implications of their widespread adoption in various industries? If you care to find out, then let's go together on this journey. Once upon a time, there was a businessman named John who wanted to sell his car to a buyer named Sarah. John had heard about a new technology named blockchain and decided to use it to create a smart contract. So, John and Sarah agreed on the terms of the sale and created a digital contract that was stored on the blockchain network. The contract contained all the necessary information, such as the car model, the price, the payment terms, and others. Now, this is where the smart contract comes in. The contract was programmed to automatically execute the sale when the predetermined conditions were met. For example, the contract stated that once Sarah sent the full payment to John's digital wallet, the ownership of the car would transfer and move from John's to Sarah automatically without the need of a middleman. The beauty of this smart contract is that it eliminates the need for a lawyer, a notary, or any other intermediary to oversee this transaction. The blockchain network acted as the intermediary, ensuring that the contract was executed only when the predetermined conditions were met. Therefore, a smart contract on a blockchain network is an efficient and secure way to execute digital transactions without the need for intermediaries. It ensures that all parties involved in the transaction are held accountable and that the contract is executed only when the predetermined conditions are met. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we conduct business and exchange assets in the digital world. Are you wondering how it works? Alright, let's take you on the journey on how smart contracts work. A smart contract is like a digital agreement that is automatically executed when certain conditions are met. It works like a computer program that follows a set of instructions encoded into a blockchain. Once the conditions are met, the smart contract triggers a transaction, like sending money or creating a digital asset. The transaction is verified by a network of computers and added to the blockchain, making it impossible to change or to cheat. Think of it like a vending machine that dispenses a snack only when you put in the right amount of money and make the right selection. The smart contract executes the transaction only when the predetermined conditions are met. When people use a smart contract, they can put in lots of rules to make sure everything is fair. They have to agree on what the rules are and how the contract will work. They also have to think about what would go wrong and what to do if there are problems. Then the contract is automatically executed based on these rules, and it's difficult to change or cheat once it's confirmed. Smart contracts can be created by anyone to perform various functions, such as moving assets to the best yielding decentralized apps. However, BaaS companies offer templates, website interfaces, and other tools that make smart contract creation easier for users. These tools allow users to create smart contracts without extensive coding knowledge, opening up the possibility for a wider range of people to participate in the blockchain ecosystem. For example, imagine you have some cryptocurrency that you want to invest to earn a higher yield. Instead of spending hours researching and manually moving your funds between different decentralized apps, you could create a smart contract that automatically performs this function for you. The smart contract would be coded with specific instructions, such as checking the interest rates for various decentralized apps, moving your funds to the one with the highest yield, and then periodically checking to ensure that the funds remain in the best performing decentralized apps. BaaS companies also provide templates for other types of smart contracts, such as those for crowdfunding or supply chain management. By creating these templates, users can easily create their own contract with predetermined conditions and outcomes, streamlining complex processes and reducing the risk of error or disputes. In short, the availability of these tools make it easier for anyone, regardless of technical expertise, to create and execute their own smart contracts, opening up new possibilities for innovation and automation in a wide range of industries. In simple terms, Smart contracts are like digital agreements that work automatically when certain conditions are met on a blockchain network. These contracts clearly define the terms and conditions of the agreement and specify who can participate and what actions they can take. This ensures that everyone involved knows exactly what they're agreeing to and what the outcome will be. Once the conditions are met, the contract is executed and the outcome is determined. This makes the process more efficient and secure, as all parties involved can trust that the contract will be executed as agreed upon. Smart contracts are essential to DeFi and are the foundational blocks of decentralized apps, enabling faster, more transparent, and more accurate transactions without the need for third-party intermediaries. Their immutability ensures transparency, but once executed, transactions cannot be reversed. To avoid exposing your crypto balance and transaction history, it is advisable to use a crypto exchange platform or a secondary wallet when transacting with smart contracts. Thank you so much, guys, for coming to the end of this video with me, even up to this point. I hope you learned a lot. See you in my next video.